Good afternoon, students, and welcome to online lecture of Michael Aran Pre-Primary School. So here I am with an interesting story. Today I'm going to teach you a story that is The Fox and the Grapes. So let's start, okay? So first we will observe the picture, okay? There are some trees and this is fox. Long, long ago, there lived a fox who loved to eat. Yes, so this story is very old. That means long, long ago, there lived a fox, and at that time, there lived a fox, and who loved to eat means he always want to eat food. Okay, so he was searching for food here and there. वो क्या कर रहा है? He was searching food. वो खाना ढूंढ रहा है from here to there. And finally, he came upon a grape orchard. So finally, he got a place where he find a food, where he find a fruit. He came upon a grape orchard. कहाँ पर पहुंच गया वो? ग्रेप orchard पर. There he found a bunch of beautiful grapes hanging from a high branch. So there, what he saw that there are so many bunch of grapes. He saw lots of bunch of grapes that were hanging on a high branch. वो कहाँ पे hanging हो रहे? On a high branch. Look at here, है ना? So there are so many bunches of grapes that were hanging on a high of a branch. Grapes had never looked so good. Means these grapes are not look so good. Means they are not looking good. And the fox felt very hungry. But then also the fox felt very hungry. Means obviously he was very hungry. Uh, he was very foodie fox. You know what foodie fox is? So he always want to eat food. So when he saw grapes of bunch, so he felt hungry. उसे वापस से क्या लग गई? भूख लग गई है. He was hungry. However, the grapes hung higher than the fox could reach. But unfortunately, the bunch of grapes were hung higher. मतलब वो कहाँ पे लगे हुए थे? Higher means बहुत ऊपर लगे हुए थे. And the fox could not reach there. So he backed up and took a running start and jumped. So what he did, वो वापस से बैक साइड गया and again he come run. वापस उसने रनिंग स्टार्ट किया and he jump high ताकि वो जो ग्रेप्स की जो बंचेस है जो लगी है तो वो उसको उसको वहाँ तक वो पहुँच सके. So he back up and took a running start and jump. He did not get high enough, but he did not get high. Means he tried so many times. Again and again he jump up high, but he could not high enough. मतलब वो ज़्यादा मतलब obviously he jump high, but he could not reach the grapes. वो grapes तक नहीं पहुँच पाया था. He went back to his starting spot and tried again. So what he did again? He went back to his starting point from where he started running. वो जहाँ से रनिंग करना स्टार्ट कर रहे थे अगेन वो वहाँ पे गया एंड अगेन ही ट्राइड. वापस उसने कोशिश की. ही ट्राइड. ही ऑलमोस्ट गॉट हाई इनफ दिस टाइम बट दिस टाइम ही रिच लिटिल बिट हाई. मतलब और थोड़ा सा ऊपर चल तक पहुँच गया था वो. बट ही हैड नॉट रीच टू द ग्रेप्स. लेकिन वो ग्रेप्स तक नहीं पहुँच पाया था. लुक एट हिज फेस. बेचारा ही सो अपसेट ना. But not quite. He tried and tried again and again. Means he tried that activity again and again to reach the grapes, but just could not get high enough to grab the grapes. But he could not reach. He could not reach to grab the grapes. मतलब grapes को ले मतलब अपने हाथ में कैच करे वहाँ तक वो नहीं पहुँच पा रहा था. So finally, what he did, he gave up. He gave up. as he walked away, he gave up and he walked away. Means उन्होंने मतलब what he did, he said that let it be. मैं अगर मेरे तक हाथ नहीं पहुंच पा रहे, मीन्स मैं वहाँ पर नहीं पहुंच पा रहा हूँ, then it's okay, let it be. And he walked away. He put his nose in the air and said, and what he did, he put his nose in the air, means he put his nose in the air and said, उन्होंने क्या, उसने क्या बोला है, I'm sure those grapes are sour. अब देखो obviously उसको satisfy करने के लिए उसने क्या बोला, अब वो obviously he don't know the taste of that grapes, उसको वो grapes का taste नहीं पता है, but what he said, उसने क्या बोला, I am sure, मतलब वो sure है कि वो जो grapes उसको नहीं मिले, उसने कैच नहीं कर पाया, that must be sour. वो कैसे होंगे, sour होंगे. Okay. And so what is the moral we got from this story? This is easy to scorn what you cannot get.